Welcome. Today I will share with you how to create these fashion product images using ChatGPT. To begin, head on to Ideogram AI. Type in this template prompt, changing the type of logo you want to create, the text for the logo, and what elements you want to see in the logo. Here I use the design style. Once done, Ideogram will generate a logo for you to choose from. Download it and head on to this site here, link below, to upscale your logo image. Next, head on to ChatGPT. Start by uploading your upscaled logo here. We will use the new image features in ChatGPT to get it to create a product with our logo on it. In this example, I asked ChatGPT to create a polo tee design that is nicely packaged in a box for a fashion product photography shoot. Using these prompts here, you can change it to suit your own product. And here's the results. Next, I asked ChatGPT to enhance an image description of a fashion model that I want to use later on to try out the polo tee image I generated. So I copied the prompt ChatGPT gave, head on to Google Image FX, link below, and paste it in. I directed the image to make it look more realistic by adding things such as photography, realistic, and cinematic to guide the image. Here are the results. So I've gone with this image here, upscaled it, and uploaded it here to ChatGPT. I then asked ChatGPT to create an image of this AI character wearing the polo tee created earlier. And ChatGPT does exactly that. Here's another example of another image generated in Google Image FX and uploaded to ChatGPT. Again, I asked it to generate an image of this character wearing the polo tee. Simply tell ChatGPT what you want it to do. In another example, using this prompt here, I asked ChatGPT to create a laptop bag for men's fashion wear. I described the type of things that would go inside the bag, how it looked like, and also the kind of logo I want it to have. Here's the results. I didn't like how the logo turned out, so I simply highlighted the area and prompted ChatGPT again to change it. It gave me a nice 3D pop, but the word of the logo disappeared. So again, I just asked ChatGPT to change it. Another iteration was that the logo appeared too large. Again, I simply highlighted the area and made it smaller. From there, I will upload both images of the man in polo tee and the laptop bag and ask ChatGPT to combine them and make it look like the man is holding onto the bag. Here are the results. Now let's say the logo got distorted or you did not upscale the image from before. We can simply upload the logo again. Ask ChatGPT to change the logo on the polo tee. If it is too large, highlight the area and ask ChatGPT to make it smaller. Here is another example where I asked ChatGPT to create a shoe commercial poster. In the next iteration, I highlighted a part of the shoe and asked ChatGPT to change it to a more orange color with white edges, and ChatGPT does exactly that. In another example, I generated these two images using Google Image FX, one of a blue and yellow jacket, the other of this man in the middle of an icy terrain. I asked ChatGPT to change the man's jacket with the blue and yellow one, and ChatGPT does it for me flawlessly. I didn't really like the expression of the model here, so I asked ChatGPT to make him smile, and here's the results, pretty well executed. We can use ChatGPT for so many other product visualization. Another example is one of toy packaging. I uploaded this image here using these prompts, asked ChatGPT to create a toy packaging out of it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and do consider subscribing for more tutorials on creating such AI images and videos.